Arlene Basilio Rendon. Live and Alive, Mental, Davao, Vista Mall. I would like to feature Vista Mall, the home of NCCC and supermarket and department store. Very cozy, very comfy, very cool inside, just like SM. So just 10 minutes ride or less than that, I can reach this place, and I'm only paying 10 pesos for my jeepney ride and 10 pesos for the tricycle. So come now, Vista Mall of Davao is also here, located McDonald's. Okay, McDonald's, there, supermarket. They have the McDonald's, and I love NCCC. Okay, Vista Mall in Davao. A day of revitalizing here on Thursday. Stress free, no tension, just waiting for pension. Okay, this is my new life, my new beginning, my new chapter, my new hope here in Davao City. Just every day rejuvenating and loving my life, living our moment. If there's no video or picture, it did not happen. So here I am having a video and a picture here in Vista Mall. So it's really worth here sharing my moments. So I'm going home now to Pequeño. This is it. Have a glimpse of the Billiards property, Vista Mall, Davao. The parking lot is so wide there, very wide over there. Okay, this is me. I'm about to go home now. So we need to cross the street. But here it's really you're safe in Davao because people are respecting the pedestrian who will be crossing the street. So have a glimpse of Vista Mall Davao. My day.